Here I have OnePlus 7T Pro, and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, all you need to do is open the upper bar twice, and here let's swipe to the left and tap screen recorder. You have to agree to the permissions. Let me do it. Let me allow the following permissions, and here you can use the settings of the screen recording, and you can also here start recording by using this record button. So right now we're just recording the actions on your screen, as you can see right here, and you can pause it right here or even stop it. Now you can tap here to watch your videos, or you can also find the video in the gallery. So all you need to do is open the gallery, choose collections, tap screen recording, and that's it. Here you've got your recordings. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.